First on Fox 21, as our storm team has just mentioned, warnings are out for high winds and fire danger in southern Colorado. Now, tomorrow, several agencies will be on high alert.
Yeah, the National Weather Service is asking people to avoid any sort of outdoor burning, including campfires, grilling, and tossing cigarette butts. The Colorado Springs Fire Department also sent out a public alert for the red flag warning, saying these winds could cause power outages.
CSFD had a few tips to go with the warning, like securing anything outside your home that could become airborne, including trampolines and holiday inflatables, preparing for possible power outages with flashlights, batteries, and charge devices on standby, and of course, avoid anything that could spark a fire.
With those high winds expected throughout the Front Range, Xcel Energy says it is on high alert.
Yeah, the company warns possible power shutoffs and extra sensitive power line settings that could cause outages. Xcel says that this may happen because other methods are, quote, not enough for public safety.
Officials have not officially said they will shut off power, but did say they expect to use what they call enhanced safety settings, meaning power will shut off if something like a branch touches it. Xcel calls these precautions a last resort to reduce wildfire risks and support public safety.